Salmon Arm is at the northern end of the Okanagan Valley in south-central British Columbia. It is halfway between Calgary and Vancouver on the Trans-Canada Highway. The Salmon River has a twisting course through the flat bottom of the Salmon River Valley. It flows northwards, emptying into Shuswap Lake at Salmon Arm Bay, which is shown in blue at the top of this map. Skimming low over the lower reaches of the Salmon River, its twisting course through the flat valley bottom is again very clear. Visible just before the river's mouth is the expanse of cottonwood trees and wetlands surrounding the river's final stretch to its mouth. Looking south over the Salmon River Valley, Salmon Arm is centered to the east or the left side of this view. Several landmarks at the western end of the city are labelled. The Trans-Canada Highway passes over the river at the highway's sharp bend in the centre of the picture. A river delta is a landform that is formed at the mouth of a river where the river flows into an ocean, sea, estuary, lake or reservoir. Deltas are formed from the deposition of the sediment carried by the river as the flow leaves the mouth of the river. Over long periods of time, this deposition builds the characteristic geographic pattern of a river delta.
In the delta there are two iconic species, the western grebes and the salmon. We're going to see the courtship dance of the western grebe. Here it is again in slow motion. The abundant bird life in this area and the healthy fish stocks in the river and the lake are potent tourist magnets, and they underscore the inseparable connection between economy and environment.
The fish counting station on the Salmon River operating in the salmon runs.
This is another hatchery fish. This is the marked one again. The fin's gone, and this is a male.
Good. Boy. First time I ever
He's got his adipose fin too. You can see, look at his nose. Longer, narrower in the nose.
Sheepfish. Look, sheepfish. I have a friend who goes fishing and retrieves the salmon out of the...
This overview shows the Mary Thomas Heritage Sanctuary in the centre. The area is Nisquamnis First Nations territory on the west bank of the Salmon River. The key at bottom right points to sanctuary features, and the link to the trail network is shown in bright green. WATER's aim is to understand and protect the biological and cultural diversity of the Salmon River Delta and collaborate with First Nations and the community at large.